Today, we'll take a look at how you can use Skylar Advisor to view and troubleshoot issues from a warning and frequency point of view. Issues presents a heat map of the issues seen in the system, color-coded, and also leveraging size to communicate frequency. Now we see this red section over here, which represents a problem, and we can see it's related to a peer issue. We can click it, and when we clicked it, we exposed the one event that's in a critical state, and it's about a BGP peer issue. Let's ask Skylar to help us analyze the problem. And while it's analyzing, let's talk about why this was so simple. The reason why I could do this operation and get to an event so rapidly that is in fact the critical event to care about at the moment is because on the way to forming any advisory, those highly enriched reports of issues seen in your system, Advisor examines millions of events, metrics, and logs that land in your data lake. And now you see the report it generated, simple and actionable, grounded in the knowledge about your systems that you have landed in your corpus, and ready for you to investigate through a conversational UI. That's just one more way Skylar transforms complex system analysis into simple, actionable insights.